In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm Debit Card, how it works. By the end, you'll know what the Affirm card is, how to access both your virtual and physical cards, how payment plans work, and how to add the card to your mobile wallet so you can start using it right away. The Affirm card is a Visa debit card that gives you flexibility at checkout. You can pay in full like a standard debit card, or when eligible, request a payment plan through the Affirm app. Because it runs on Visa, you can use it at most places that accept Visa, though payment plans depend on merchant eligibility and purchase minimums. Once your card is created, you get two versions. Your virtual Affirm card is available immediately in the app, so you can start shopping online or add it to your mobile wallet. A physical card will arrive in about 7 to 10 business days, and you'll need to activate it before using it in stores. If you first set up your Affirm card through Apple Pay, don't forget to request a physical card later in the Affirm app. Both the virtual and physical cards are connected to the same account, but they use different numbers for security. You'll see the physical card number printed on the back of the card. To view your virtual card number, open the Affirm app, go to the Card tab, and tap the image of the card at the top to reveal your details. Treat this information like you would any sensitive card data. Here's how transactions work. If you've linked a bank account, you can either pay in full from that account or request payment plans. You can request a plan before checkout for eligible purchases over $35 or up to 24 hours after checkout for eligible purchases over $50. If you have an Affirm Money account linked, that after checkout window extends to 48 hours. If you don't link a bank account, you'll only be able to use the card if you request a payment plan before you check out. Using the card is straightforward. Online, enter your card details just like any debit card. In-store, insert, swipe, or tap your physical card, or use contactless by adding the virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. You don't need to wait for the physical card to arrive to start shopping. To add your Affirm card to a mobile wallet, open the Affirm app, go to the Card tab, tap the settings gear in the top right, choose Add to Apple Pay or Google Pay, and follow the on-screen instructions. Before you go, activate your physical card when it arrives, review plan terms and eligibility in the app, and keep the app updated so you always see your latest options.